guys, and today we're going to be opening up some surprises. I have a special guest named Lola. So let's get started. First, we have a Shopkins. And we have got, I think this is an onion. And we have got Boohoo Onion. Okay, now we're going to be opening up the next Shopkins. And let's see what we got.
I'll open it.
And we have got Poppycorn. Okay, now we're going to move on to the next thing. We've got this Play-Doh egg. And we've got
the Joker.
What's that?
The Joker.
Okay, moving on to the next thing. We've got the next Play-Doh egg. And we've got some Nerds candy. Let's eat this candy up. Wow, this is pretty good. Okay, we have the last thing. And we have got this Lego Friends kit. Open this up. Yay! Okay, that's it, guys. Thank you so much. And write in the comments which Shopkin was your favorite.